Hello everyone, this is Carol. We've learned many interesting text effects, and today I'm going to teach you how to quickly create a city landscape text reflection effect. The method used is very simple. Just follow the tutorial step by step and you will be able to do it. If you're interested as well, keep watching the video. First, we open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. Click here to create a new text layer and enter the text you want to use. Adjust the font, size, shadow, and position until you are satisfied. And here, I recommend not using a shadow. Click here to save a screenshot of the text, and then import a screenshot into VideoProc. Next, replace your background material on the main track, and put a screenshot on the overlay track. Adjust the duration accordingly. In the inspector, select Align by Height, and tweak the scale and position. Next, scroll down to blend mode and select multiply. Let's play it back and check the effect. Well, looks pretty good. If you want to adjust position and size of the background, click here to lock the overlay track. Then select the main track material and adjust its position. Once finished, export the clip as a new material and re-import it into VideoProc. Delete the existing materials from the timeline. Place the newly exported material onto the main track. Now click Crop and crop the lower part like this. Try to keep it as close to the text as possible. And once finished, click here to adjust the final position and the size of the text. Next, we click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the start. Adjust the viewing area. And then go 3 seconds forward and add another keyframe. Select the smooth speed down one. And go back to your first keyframe and move the viewing area up until the text disappears. Click Apply. Let's play it back. Great, the first part is finished. Next, we duplicate this material and place it on the overlay track. In Inspector, lower the opacity to 0.6 and go to the Transform and select the vertical flip. Click here to adjust the position below the original text. And let's play it back. Now we have the reflection effect. Next, we go to Effect and find Denoise. Apply it below the material and adjust the duration. You will see that the entire image becomes slightly blurred, but we only want this effect on the reflection. In Inspector, scroll down to Scope. Uncheck this option and select only the lower reflection material. Now the effect is complete. And finally, add some suitable sound effects. And that's it. Super simple, right? Try it out for yourself. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe the channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!